I only been down here like 5 months, so I've been trying to fit in. So I started fighting MMA. I started selling solar panels to people. I bought a Tesla. And I've been driving drunk like a fucking maniac, right? Like, dude, I'm fitting into Scottsdale flawlessly. They're like, dude, have you been here your whole life? I'm like, yeah, I've been in this bitch. Like, I don't drunk drive that often. Probably like 30 minutes ago on the way here. But when I'm drunk, I can't antagonize people, so I see those Waymos. Like, and I'm from Montana. There ain't no Waymos in Montana. So like, what I do is I fuck with the Waymos. Like, I get really close to it to see what it'll do. And so the people inside do not find this funny at all. My thing is, it was in a turn-in lane, right? Like, it needed to get in, so I fucking gunned it. So it stomped on the brakes, so I stomped on the brakes. Emergency light starts flashing. I yelled, and then I drove off.